Alright students, so now that you have the idea of inequalities, let's practice solving a two-step one. So as you can see, it looks just like an equation. The only difference is this inequality sign, which would have been an equal sign in an equation. So let's go ahead and solve it, and then I'll show you how to graph it. So we have 3x plus 5 is less than 26. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to subtract 5 from both sides. So then we will have 3x over here. And now it's less than 21. And then our second step is to divide by the coefficient. So we're going to divide both sides by 3. So we get x is less than 7. So now this is just like an introduction one. So we have x is less than 7. So here's my number line. I put 7 right in the middle. 8 is bigger than it. 6 is smaller than it. Now, remember, open or closed circle. I know it's going to be an open circle. I'm going to go ahead and graph it in yellow. Open circle, because it does not include the 7. There's no equal sign there. And then x is less than 7. So if I plug in 6, 6 is less than 7. Yes, that's true. So my arrow will go this direction. And that's how you solve and then graph an inequality.